Okay. So okay. So it is our second problem, you know, on the based on the superposition theorem. So we want to simulate the same circuit on the PSpice, right? And how it would do. So again, I'm repeating the case. First, you have to consider the 6-volt battery. Okay. Then simulate these things on the PSpice. Then consider the 3 ampere current source. Okay. And then sort all the other voltage source and the current. And you have to open the other current source. Here it is only the 6-volt voltage source is there. So you have to short circuit at that. Calculate the current voltage, right? Based on this, just to manually calculate the voltage across the 4 ohm resistor, we have already seen in the first, before some minutes ago. Okay, so now just try to simulate the same thing on the on the PSpice, and then you calculate the overall circuit on the PSpice and try to validate the same. Either you are getting the same result or not. Okay, so I think you understood the things. First you have simulate this, then simulate this, okay, and then simulate this. Whatever you calculate with the, just do the manual calculation, some manual calculation based on the current voltage, okay, and verify either you are getting the same things or not. Okay, so try to start on the PSpice. So Himanshu and Smita, just to start to demo based on this circuit. Okay, and the students, please do try to understand, and if possible, try to do you by yourself. Otherwise, my student is going to give the demo. Himanshu, is the question is clear? Visible? Have you noted it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just try. Just start. Smita, simultaneously we will also try. You also try the same
Yes,
thing.
sir.
You also try the same thing, and this time I want to the same result from both sides. Okay, and student side also. Student done. Students, Sugam Mehta
यस सर एक मिनट सर
done.
कर रहा हूँ
Tushar Birdi,
Yes, sir, done almost, sir.
Rajat completed.
सर बस हो गया.
Aryan,
यस सर.
completed.
सर कर रहे हैं अभी.
It's not a big deal, just you have to connect the resistor and voltage source and the current source. Nothing else.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had completed the stimulation part.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
You are getting the same result?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
You are-
I can present my screen.
Just to see
also.
my the movement of the pen, just to see my the movement of pen, and can you tell me what is the answer? Okay, just to see the movement of my pen. Can you tell me what is the current of this branch using the on a 6-volt resistor, 6-volt voltage source with the help of
Sir,
simulation?
it is 500
500 milliamp.
500 milliampere.
Yes, you are getting the same thing, same result. Okay, what is the voltage? What is the voltage develop across the what is the voltage drop across the 4 ohm resistance?
Sir, across it is 2 volt.
Right, right. Okay. Now to tell me what is, but have you, if you have simulated with the 3 ampere current source, then what is the I3? What is the current in this 4 ohm resistance?
2 ampere.
2 ampere, right? So what is the voltage source developed across the 4 ohm resistance?
8 volt.
8 volt. So total voltage is 10 volt, right? Now you have simulated the same on the overall circuit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now share your screen. Show your screen. I want to show you. I want to search. I want to.
Okay.
Yes. Just to show. If everyone is able to see, tell me yes or no.
Sir, it is
It is visible to all of you.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Why?
Sir, it's done now.
visible.
Okay, just it is a turn of the students. If Simran Preet Kaur is going to show their result, so we are going to. Okay.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, tell me, students, is it visible?
Yeah.
Students,
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, are you able to see?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir, it is
visible.
visible now.
Okay. So 2 to 6 volt resistance, you can see what the current 500 milliampere, right? It is a 500 milliampere. Okay. And now you can see the same result here. 500 milliampere is going from the 4 ohm resistance, right? And the 2 volt resist 2 volt. Okay. And overall this one, and you can show the below part due to the 3 ampere current source. Yes, very good. So you have calculated the 2 ampere resistance current, and what is the voltage? 8 volt, right? Okay, 8 volt is there. So go on top. Yes, so total is 10. You can calculate the manually, and 10 volt resistance is there, right? 10 volt, 6 volt resistance is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 volt is there, right? Okay, thank you. So it's fine. It's fine. Himanshu, any comment?
Yes, sir. Hello?
Any comment?
No, sir. It's good.
It's good. Okay. Smita, it's right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So can we move forward?
Sir, in the lab work also they have to put like this also, like this simulation results, na?
Yes, same.
Okay.
We have to first open the first circuit, then the second circuit, then the third circuit. Okay. Now I'm giving the one more question. Okay, on the superposition theorem. Try to solve this question by yourself as you in the lab record. Okay. So the question is, the 24 volt is the voltage source. 8 ohm resistance is here, right? And one more resistor is connected with the 4 ohm resistor in like this 3 ohm
So the
current.
screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry. I have not presented now. Okay. Now it's going to visible. It's visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So this one is the circuit, right? Plus 12 volt, and this is the 3 ampere current is here, right? And you have to calculate the the 4 ohm resistance is this one. You have to calculate the I, right? You have to calculate the I with the help of superposition theorem. Applying superposition theorem. Basically, this is a prerequisite, the theorems required for the circuit theory foundation. Okay, so superposition theorem, with the help of superposition theorem, find the value of I. Okay, find I. So you have to do the same problem with the help of PSpice. Okay, so first of all, you try to solve the manually, and then solve it, simulate the 3 circuit, because there are 3 voltage, three sources is there, two voltage source and one current source. So you have to do the same thing using the PSpice, right? You have to PSpice, right? The same thing you have to do. Okay. So can you do? Any problem in this question, students? Students?
No, sir. No problem.
Okay, Rahul. So it's your turn, and you just to start, just to share to your screen and try
Okay.
to simulate the same things, है ना? Just to try to give the demo to other students how the circuit can be, simulated, right?
Okay.
Can you
Sir.
give?
Yes, sir. I can try.
Okay, okay, try. Just to note the question and start your presentation, right? Rahul, just start. No need to, simulate separately. Just to start this, just to share your screen and start the simulation there. No problem. In the front of all the students, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just to say, start your share the screen. I think is any problem, Rahul?
No problem in sharing. 1 minute, sir.
Anyone who want to share the screen and can simulate the circuit? Any other student? Tushar,
Yes, sir.
can you do?
Yes, sir. Sir, इसके चारों सर्किट बना के दिखाने हैं.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
तो just start on by the sharing the screen ना. स्क्रीन पर स्टार्ट करो, शेयर करना उसके वहीं पर सिमुलेट करो. कोई प्रॉब्लम है करने में?
नहीं सर, 1 मिनट बस.
1 मिनट ही तो नहीं है बेटा.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's going to visible.
Sir, can you confirm? Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Very good. And also just verify either it is correct or not. Okay. At the same time, you have to open the circuit also, na?
हाउ सर, बता दो सर। सर ये तो ये वाली बैटरी उतारी ना पहले 24 वोल्ट वाली।
करंट सोर्स भी तो जाएगा, एक बार में एक ही सोर्स तो लेना है आपको, तो करंट सोर्स भी तो जाएगा, ओपन होगा।
ओके ओके सर, ओके।
यस और नो?
यस सर, यस।
नाउ इट्स करेक्ट।
यस।
डन। डन।
सर ऑलमोस्ट डन सर। तो एक्चुअली सर इसमें रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू चेंज करनी पड़े, और वो नंबरिंग चेंज।
नॉट करेक्ट। इट यस यस राइट राइट।
सर नहीं तो एरर आ जाएगा।
Very good. There is some error.
Yes, sir. R21 is defined more than once. It's here.
In the name.
Okay, so no.
Yes. Now everyone can see. Your current in the 8 ohm resistance is 2.5 ampere, right?
Yes, sir.
Overall is your 2.5 ampere, and the current inside the 3 ohm resistor is, the 1 ampere. Sorry, I'm not with it.
2.
Just zoom it.
Oh. Oh. Okay, sir.
Yes, 2 ampere, right? Okay. Now come to the next. Yes, 2 ampere is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. मेरा 2 आया total. Yes, 2 is the correct answer. Okay. 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So good, Tushar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you can leave. Okay. You can
Okay, sir.
okay. Leave. You can
Thank you,
leave
sir.
the presentation. Very good. Keep it on. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So I think it is clear to all of you. Any problem? You want to ask any quick query? Anyone? Any students? You want to ask any query? How the superposition theorem may be simulated with the help of, on the PSpice? Is it clear to all of you? I think. Okay. Okay. So if it is clear, then we are moving towards the next, next theorem is Smita. Which one?
Thevenin theorem and Norton theorem.
Okay, Thevenin theorem and Norton theorem. Right. Okay. So see, I'm just stopping the, the recording.